Let's see if we can get this. Hi everyone. Oh boy. Oh. All right. Oh! Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Oh goodness. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're going to make gluten-free bread today. We have been doing this for about a year now. My husband had found out that he is gluten-free. We thought it was in his head, but it's not. And buying $7 to $8 loaves of bread at a time is just a killer. So we decided to make our own. So he asked me to make bread today while he's at work. And I am not one of those people that like to be exact. So it's going to be fun. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups of warm milk and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. So what we do first is just have the, I guess it's 1/4 cup. Yep, that's 1/4 cup. I kind of melt it a little bit more, so I'll stick it in the microwave for just a couple of seconds. Okay. Oh, we have to get the container out. This bread machine is a little old. We're going back 20-something years old. It does only a half. It's not a full loaf. All right, 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter. Put that in there. 1.5 cups of warm milk. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is not dairy-free recipe. If you are dairy-free, you're out of luck. This calls for eggs and milk. Now you could use lactose milk. 1.5. Oh, that's about right, I think. See, my husband is a very exact person. Okay, 1.5 cups. 2 eggs. Crack them. Uh-oh, I think a shell went in there. Oh, shoot. Yep, it did. What else? 1 teaspoon of apple cider. Okay. 1/2 cup of honey. Oh my goodness, 1/2 cup. La, 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 la. We need like elevator music. 1/2 cup. Now, all the honey out. We don't want to waste the honey. That's good stuff right there. All right. 3 cups of flour. This is gluten-free flour. Gluten-free flour. Gluten-free. Gluten-free flour. Say that 3 times. Oh, goodness. Oh, I didn't get the cup out. All right. So. Doop, 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 doop. All right. Now we found that this flour has what's called, I don't even know, Xanthan gum. Xanthan. However you want to say it. 1. 2. Don't talk, boy. I'm going to mess it up. 3. All right, 3. Now because this has the gum in it, we're not going to put it in today. Usually we put it in. We usually have it, gluten-free gum. Oh, I'm not going to put it in today. We're going to try it without because we found that it already has it in there. And because it's wet and rainy outside and there's a little humidity going on involved, we have been eliminating our yeast. It calls for, the recipe calls for 1 3/4 teaspoons of yeast. We've been going down to 1 teaspoon. And it's been working because when it heats up and starts cooking and after it's risen, it overflows in the machine. And there's been like, oh, probably twice now that I think I've caught the kitchen almost on fire. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon today. And you're going to make a little hole There you go. Uh-oh, there's a little bit left in there. That should be fine. Oh, and salt! Look at that, I almost forgot the salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it. That's all it calls for. Alright, stick it in the bread machine. Turn it on, plug it in, helps. Okay, we're gonna do white. Select it. We're gonna do medium. And we're gonna do rapid. It'll be 2 hours and 45 minutes. If you can do regular, we have done that before. It just means it rises twice. You don't necessarily need to have it rise twice with this particular recipe. Hit select, start. See how it works out. The sides down just a little bit. You get the flour. It's looking good. All right, guys, it's all done. Let's check it out. It looks pretty good. We let it cool down. Get it out. Okay. And the big key thing is to get this middle part out. Okay. Gotta make sure that this thing comes out. Otherwise you eat it. All right, there you go. Looks pretty good. It smells delicious. Wow, that smells good. This is so good. And look what I did. All right. All right, guys. Thank you very much. If you like our channel, please subscribe, smash the button, whatever, hit the button. We'll put a link to the recipe down in the description box, so enjoy. Bye.